Let's make a super cute pom-pom heart wreath for Valentine's Day. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I have this yarn. I got it on sale at Joann Fabrics. And I have this pom-pom maker I had gotten at Dollar Tree. Let me show you how I use it. So you're going to open it up and you're going to hold the tail and then just start wrapping it around one section. Does that make sense? Those two pieces. And you're going to wrap it around until that little half circle is gone. Then you're going to move it to the other side. Put those two half circles together. And then same song, second verse. Start wrapping around that one until that half circle is gone. Ta-da! Then you're going to close that one. You're going to free that yarn. Snippety snap. Perfect. Then we're going to use some super sharp little scissors. And we're going to cut in between those two half circles that we wrapped the yarn around. Perfect, right? Right. Easy peasy. Just remember that you need a piece of yarn to tie around this after. I always forget for some reason, and then I have 400 little pieces of yarn. It's so silly. Anyways, all right, so cut them. Perfect. Now you'll see I have a little piece of yarn for my tie. I put it in between the half circles like that, and then we're just going to tie it nice and tight. Now, there's a very fine line between too tight and it breaks your yarn and not tight enough and your yarn pom-pom falls apart. You double knot it. You'll see it's just, you just want it a nice tight knot. Then we're going to open up our half circles and ta-da, right? Open both sides. And then we're going to pull the center pieces. We're going to pull those apart. This is the part that's not on the directions and it's irritating. But there we go. And it is one of the most perfect pom-poms I've had. Trim yours. I don't know if you have problems with trimming like I do, but I wind up trimming it too much or not enough, whatever. All right. So then I did, I'm going to say 11 of each color. But it's worth it. And it's so easy to do. You could do it sitting watching TV or whatever. And all I'm going to do is take this wire heart wreath form, I guess, flip it over, and then I'm going to just start tying my pom-poms on. Now, yes, friends, I am tying mine with a bow. I'm not making it permanent because then I can pull off a pom-pom if I need to after Valentine's Day to make a hat or some cute little embellishment for a bag or whatever. But you know who I am. Yeah, commitment issues. I know. So I go all the way around the center one, and then same song, second verse, we're going to go all the way around that second heart on the inside. Okay. Now, I tried putting the pom-poms all the way on the outside. It didn't work. It didn't look right. So for me, I just did the two inside wires. And again, I just tied them in a bow. Easy peasy. Stop it. Now, you really can't see it here. It's super cute. You can't see it in these pictures, but when I hang it up, look at how cute it is. I love it. Look at, and it's plush and it's super soft and I'm there for it. 1000%. I got my yarn on sale, but on Walmart, I think you can get it at like $3 a skein, something like that. But, woo, this is so much fun. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.